Anytime I get on the field and get some passes from Derek, obviously it's just going to build chemistry and it's going to build trust. So we just need to continue to do that, and I need to continue to make plays for the guy.
Hey, Bryan, it's Tashawn Reed from The Athletic. Outside of the health piece, what were some of the areas where you focused on improving the most coming into this year?
Outside of health, man, it was just, watching tape, slowing things down in my mind and just, the mental side of the game, just as far as, how to prepare every day, how to not get too riled up, be in the moment and just stay positive.
Bryan, pretty much last year when you guys hit training camp, that was like the first time you guys